In this podcast episode, David Raichlen, a professor of human evolutionary biology, exercise physiology, and neuroscience at the University of Southern California, discusses the impact of physical activity on brain health and cognitive function. Raichlen emphasizes the importance of understanding how lifestyle behaviors, such as diet, physical activity, and social connections, can influence brain health and prevent cognitive decline. The podcast highlights the alarming increase in dementia cases as the population ages, with projections estimating a significant rise in the number of individuals diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease and other related dementias. Raichlen stresses the need to address brain health problems that are likely to escalate in the future. Physical activity is identified as a key factor in maintaining brain health, with research indicating that exercise can lead to the generation of new neurons in crucial brain regions like the hippocampus. The release of proteins called myokines during exercise, along with increased blood flow to the brain, plays a role in promoting neuroplasticity and cognitive function. Raichlen explains that the human brain evolved in a context of high levels of physical activity, and the shift towards a more sedentary lifestyle in recent centuries has had negative implications for brain health. He suggests that engaging in physically and cognitively challenging activities, such as orienteering or combining exercise with problem-solving tasks, can enhance the benefits of physical activity on the brain. Raichlen explains that aerobic activity can be enhanced by adding cognitive challenges, such as navigating new environments during workouts. While resistance training is beneficial for muscle strength, aerobic exercise is particularly effective for improving cognitive function. He also touches on the potential benefits of brain training games, noting that while some may improve cognition, the overall impact is still being studied. The discussion also touches on the impact of environmental factors on exercise benefits, with research indicating that exercising in green spaces or natural environments may have additional mood-boosting effects compared to indoor or urban settings. Raichlen encourages individuals to explore different types of physical activity and environments to maximize the cognitive and emotional benefits of exercise. The podcast delves into the concept of neuroplasticity, highlighting how the brain responds to external stimuli and adapts to new challenges. Raichlen draws parallels between muscle growth in response to exercise and the generation of new neurons in the brain, emphasizing the importance of using the brain to prevent cognitive decline. The conversation explores the potential benefits of combining physical activity with cognitive challenges, such as problem-solving tasks or spatial navigation, to enhance neuroplasticity and cognitive function. Studies in animal models have shown that engaging in both physical and cognitive activities can lead to a greater increase in new neurons compared to either activity alone. Raichlen shares insights on the impact of exercise timing, noting that exercising in the morning can have positive effects on mood and cognitive function throughout the day. He personally prefers to exercise in the morning to set a positive tone for the rest of the day and ensure consistency in his physical activity routine. Raichlen recommends breaking up sitting time with short bursts of activity. He suggests simple strategies like taking short walks or doing squats to combat the negative effects of prolonged sitting, which can lead to cardiovascular issues. He also discusses the impact of chairs on our sedentary lifestyle, noting that the invention of chairs has led to a decrease in muscle activity and an increase in sedentary behavior. The discussion shifts to lifestyle factors that can influence brain health, including alcohol consumption, smoking, and sleep. Raichlen explains that excessive alcohol use and smoking can shrink the brain and increase the risk of cognitive decline. Adequate sleep, on the other hand, is essential for brain health, as it allows for the clearance of plaques associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Maintaining a healthy sleep schedule, along with avoiding harmful behaviors like smoking and excessive drinking, can help protect against cognitive decline. Social connections are highlighted as another crucial factor in maintaining brain health. Raichlen emphasizes the importance of quality social relationships in reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Strong social connections have been linked to better brain outcomes, highlighting the evolutionary significance of social bonds in human survival. Raichlen also discusses the impact of air pollution on brain health, noting that living in areas with high pollution levels can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. Additionally, he explores the potential interaction between physical activity and air pollution, suggesting that exercising in polluted areas may diminish the benefits of physical activity on the brain. Reichlin's research focuses on the combination of cognitive challenges with physical activity to enhance brain health. He explains that activities like racket sports, which involve strategic thinking and fast reactions, can provide cognitive benefits in addition to physical exercise. He also discusses the role of the endocannabinoid system in the brain, noting that exercise can upregulate this system and contribute to feelings of well-being. Raichlen addresses common misconceptions about exercise, particularly the belief that significant amounts of exercise are required to see benefits. He emphasizes that even small amounts of physical activity can provide substantial benefits and encourages individuals to start with manageable goals to build momentum. Raichlen stresses the importance of finding activities that are enjoyable and sustainable to promote long-term adherence to an exercise routine. When discussing brain health and nutrition, Raichlen recommends a plant-based diet with less processed food and sugar. He notes that the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes whole grains, legumes, and less meat, has been associated with better brain outcomes. He cautions against the idea of a single brain food and emphasizes the overall importance of a balanced and healthy diet for cognitive health. Raichlen explains that cognitive changes are a normal part of aging, but significant cognitive decline that impacts daily life may indicate dementia. He discusses the differences between normal age-related cognitive changes and progressive diseases like Alzheimer's, highlighting the importance of early detection and intervention. He also addresses the impact of grief and social connections on brain health, emphasizing the need for holistic approaches to support cognitive well-being in older adults. While Raichlen acknowledges the challenges in promoting behavior change and preventing cognitive decline on a large scale, he remains hopeful about the potential impact of his work. By focusing on reducing sedentary behavior, increasing physical activity, and promoting healthy lifestyle habits, Raichlen believes that individuals can not only improve their own brain health, but also contribute to broader societal benefits. He emphasizes the importance of prevention and early intervention in addressing cognitive health issues, particularly in the context of an aging population.